The box has two layers. On top you'll find most of the components with the drill press head, motor assembly and column on the second layer. On that top layer you'll find the table, the clamp, the chuck key, the keyed chuck and the base. Remove and lay out the spindle adapter remover, the hex head screws, the handwheel spokes and the wrenches. Get rid of that top layer. Retrieve the column and the table bracket. We'll firstly fix the column to the base with the hex head screws. As I'm fixing the screws into position here, you'll hear Callum in the background, sanding part of a bloodwood picture frame. That'll be our next woodshop video, so keep an eye out for that one next week. Once that's secure, remove the ring and the rack from the column. Place the table bracket assembly over the top of the column, making sure the notch in the side of the bracket matches up with the rack. Then secure the ring back in position. Attach the table raising and lowering handle on the worm gear shaft and tighten the set screw against the flat on the worm gear shaft. Next, for the table, one person can manage this, although we'd recommend two. Next up, the handwheel spokes. Fix the drill chuck in its position. Done. Now let's give it a whirl.